Yeah, river, yep. Nice. Nice design. I like that. Yes, sir. How you doing, man? Your name and full run round.
My name's Ted. I've got 6 DC level 410s on the Ampri Audio 5K, 2 AGMs, and then the AGM under the hood on stock electrical right now. But the electrical's in the workings. Actually threw this together in a week. So I started this build Monday because I didn't even know that they were having Sundown. Okay. But it's tuned to 28 hertz.
Wow, nice.
It likes low.
And you got your back seat still?
Yeah, okay. I can fold them up. They're perfectly fine.
Sweet. Looks good. How is your, have you metered it yet?
No, I got an SSA meter. They did a 149.6.
Okay.
At 40 hertz.
40 hertz. Got it. All right.
But it likes to dip down in the upper 20s.
Does it? Okay. Nice. All right.
And the mids and highs is all factory, except for it's got the Boston acoustic door speakers. Okay. And then PRV tweeters in the dash, and it's all ran off the deck.
Yeah,
Productions.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I would like to see everything.
Let me pull up a little bit. It's a river back there. Baby, can you move the 10 over here? Yeah. I'm gonna pull up. It's a river back there.
That's all I understand.
Just pull the thing out.
That was great, Ted. Thank you.
No, she's gonna pull up. Pull the thing out. No, baby, the case, the tire. I was gonna throw that out as diesel too. That's a river, man.
Yeah, river, yep. Nice. Nice design. I like that. Thanks for showing me, man.
Oh, no problem.
This is a quad baffle.
Yeah.
Wow. And, oh, I see, because you got it countersunk too. Okay.
It's countersunk 2 layers. It's 2 layers of subs, and then it's 2-layer recess.
All right. Awesome. Thanks, man. Nice to meet you again, Ted. Have a good day. All right. Dude, that's great. And compact space.
Yeah.
Utilize your motor force for the cone area and the space. So I like that. That's really good, man.
Yeah.
Thanks for the demo. What was your name?
TJ. or
TJ. Ted. All right.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.